All right. So the VacDaddy is a self-contained vacuum system. Weighs 10 pounds. There's no training. You don't have to teach anybody how to prime a 50-foot hose. You and I were in a competition at the side of a pool. You're going to put your vac hose on a vac plate. You're going to plug one of the skimmers. You're going to go back to the system, close the main drain. You're going to hope the valve holes, and you're going to try to get good suction out of that, and you're going to prime the vac hose. While you're done priming the vac hose, I plug the VacDaddy in, put it on a pole, and I'm halfway done while you're still trying to prime the vac hose. Then when you use all the dirt at the bottom of the pool and you put it through the customer's system, you have to clean out the customer's cartridge filter that you dirtied from using their system to vacuum the pool. You take the VacDaddy, put it on a pole. When the bag is full, you hold it at the side of the pool. You let it drain out by the coping for about 3 to 4 seconds. You turn it sideways horizontally, spin the lid off, take the bag out, and dump it in a bucket. That's how quickly you clean the bag in the VacDaddy. I've run around my whole life. 35 years in the pool business. I vacuumed well over 22,000 pools. I would carry a horse and a half Hayward super pump, C500 cartridge filter, 50 feet of hose. 44 gallons per minute, brand new. This thing does 60 gallons per minute. We're also the only system out here that has the vac to waste attachment. The vac to waste attachment is the only unit out there in the universe that has this. You know how I know that? They don't vacuum pools on the moon. There's no water on the moon. You simply take these 4 screws off and you attach the vac to waste, and you'll use a bag like this. The application is for algae, flocking a pool, mud in a pool, DE in a pool. You attach your vac hose to the back of this and send the baby out with the bath water. We have 2 bags that come with the VacDaddy. You got a nylon bag, a 200 microns, and a felt bag. Also coming out with the VacDaddy in about 2 months is the Vac Baggie. The Vac Baggie works on hardscapes, concrete, brick, pavers. When you come to stairs, you simply drop the Vac Baggie, you pick it up, and carry it up the stairs. Inside this bag, you'll put a gunite vac head, a vinyl vac head, your brush, your net, some tools, your test equipment, about 28, 30 pounds. Who's your daddy? VacDaddy.
Pool Service Pro. Open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.